Welcome viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the more information tab of welcome app of Mageia Linux. So here there are three sections: documentation, support and community. So in document section, you can read the release notes of the present release. Then you can read the errata and the newcomers how to is also there. So we will click everything. So that will open up the different tabs. Okay, so and the documentation, let us click that also. Okay, so now we will head over to this web browser. So here you can see the Mageia release notes is given. So what is available on the installation media, the Mageia repositories, 32-bit or 64-bit, the smaller disk footprint, the RPM DBS switch to SQLite. So everything is given in details. You can also check out the major developments that has happened to this Linux distribution. You can check out the installation stages, the hardware support, localization, you can say status. You can check out the manual, software translations, package management, what is the new RPM, how to use the DNF, that is the alternative package manager. So if you remember, we have got RPM Drake as well as the DNF Dragora software manager is available. So RPM Drake will use the RPM package manager, while the DNF Dragora will use the DNF package manager. So two package managers are available. It is up to your choice, but I will recommend the RPM package manager. AppStream is also there. URPM and URPMI, there is also given the tools for like Mageia Control Center, which will be testing in the next videos. Mageia Welcome, ISO Dumper, Docker. So you can also use Dockers here in Mageia. Live CD tools, Drake Live 2, memory test, remove old kernels, how to remove that. That also I have shown you how to remove them. Base system, kernel and hardware support, everything is given. I will not go into everything. All about the desktops, sound servers, bootloaders, office apps, internet apps, multimedia apps, everything is given. Compilers, tools. Just one stop here you come, you will get to know everything about Mageia Linux. Even bug reporting, how to do the removal of older releases and to upgrade to new release. Everything is given. So what we will do is command line tools, everything is there here. Now let us go over to the errata. So errata will give you the information regarding non-working graphics, non-working Wi-Fi cards, how to return the third-party bootloader, installer images for Intel rapid storage technology, RST incompatibility, crashes on install processes, crash before the end of install, crash at the end of install, late installer. If there is an issue with the Ventoy writer, then also you can check this out. There is information regarding the graphics cards. For example, the different problems generally occurring with the AMD cards, the NVIDIA cards, everything is given here. You have to just check this, so you will get a basic idea how to work around the problems which are not generally occurring. And there are some links to the security fixes, so security or the bug fixes that is given here. So all workarounds, you have to read this properly. We cannot go through everything, but you can check this out. So there are some backports problem, phone USB connection problem. So you have to check everything. Then only you will get an idea. So if something happens, there is some malfunction in your system, you should consult the Mageia wiki errata. Check out whether the problem has or the bug has already been reported, and you have to check if the workaround or the fix is already there. If the fix is there, you have to just update the system, or if the workaround is given here, you have to just use that workaround and solve the problem for yourself. Now for the newcomers, you can start it here. So all the information required by the newcomer is given here. You have to just go through this. Everything is given. The documentation support wiki is there. You just read through that. And this is the Mageia documentation. So here you can see the control center manual is given, installer manual is given, how to install from live medium, how to install using the network installer or the network installation method for Mageia 9 as well as Mageia 8 is given. So that's it. So this is all that is available in the this documentation part of Mageia. Now I will close this. Let us go over to the forum. So if I click here, it will open the Mageia forums and the Mageia wiki. So here you can see the documentation portal is there. So you can go through that. So what you have to do is you have to start from here, discovery of Linux and Mageia. Then you have to go over to the presentation for beginners. Then you have to check out the application list. Then how to migrate from Windows to Mageia. First step with Linux and Mageia. Then you have to check which desktop environments are available. Then you can go through this all the major desktops are available. So you can check out which desktop looks good, which you think you will be comfortable. Then you can try out all these desktops and finally arrive at the desktop which best suits your needs. And then there is first step with the command line and useful examples are given. Then you can check out the Bugzilla, how to report bug, MGSoft, how to use a cauldron, how to ask for help, how to use the internet relay chat, how to write a wiki page, the IRC bots, everything is given, how to create your user account, how to access the mailing list, mirror list, Sophie, Transifex, Git syncing, everything is given. And these are the installation manuals. So everything is there and for Mageia 8, 9 up to 7 also it is given here. Then MCC tools called Drake tools, how to use the Mageia control center tools like Drake Guard, Drake Live 2, enable the testing media, installation and removal of software, removing and installing software for beginners, Mageia install media for beginners, Mageia security is there, server wizard, software manager, everything is given. How to configure and use the Mageia. So how to configure the Azure server, Citrix receiver, cookbook is there, Dragonfly mail client is there, D messages is there, Dropbox, file sharing with Samba, everything is given. Install, how to install Java Oracle, OpenFS client, Nextcloud server, everything is given in detail. Now the package management side is there. So you can build the packages for Mageia using the Fedora COPR. OpenSUSE build service can also be used. You can use build packages using mock, build live images. You can have your own backports applications. You can have the URPM proxy. You can learn packaging. You can package. You can go through the packaging guidelines. There is RPM packagers tutorial. Everything is there. It's I think this is also one of the best wiki that is designed. This is one of the best. So all other Linux distributions should follow this. How we can say how neatly everything has been done. Everything is neatly laid out on the web page. So I like the way they have this design their wiki page. Virtualization, you can check this out. So different virtualization technologies are there. How to use them on your system. Then you how to use the shell, how to use the display managers, drag cose, general troubleshooting, grub2, EFI and Mageia, how to use the MariaDB, how to use the open box, input methods, list of applications, how to play Windows games. Then there is hardware, how to use Bumblebee, how to use Mageia Prime for Optimus, how to change ROM graphic drivers, set up the graphical server, install Mageia on Atom tablet. Everything is given. Then important is this sound section, media center with Mageia, Pipewire, voice recognition. In networking, Skype with video, setup wireless networking. In scanners, Epson scanners data is given. Cloud printing to cups. Then you can check out some manuals on EFI. No longer boot on Mageia, EFI boot manager, file transfer, general troubleshooting, deleter, partition with fdisk, RAID and EVMS, remote control with libcc, rescue, make boot CD. So I think it is very, very detailed and very neatly laid out. We should congratulate the developer team for such a nice documentation and nice wiki. So other Linux distributions to follow this. Then there is link to the chat room also. So this is the chat room and it opens up in conversation. So this is the IRC chat messenger for KDE desktop. So it is developed by the KDE organization. You can see here. Okay, so we will just quit. I just wanted to show. Then this the bug tracker is there. So here you can check out the different bugs that are there. So you will have to create your user ID password, then you can log in and then you can check out the bugs. So here if you want to see the bugs reported in last 24 hours, you have to click the link here and you can see some bugs are there. For example, in Firefox 115.6, let us check out the bugs. So there are some links to the this Mageia advisory MGA9T00 or OO. So I think this is the bug advisory. So you have to check this out. And there are some other links. So you can just go through this all the links and you will know what exactly the bug report has been done, for exactly what the reason the bug report has been done. Then in the community, you can go over to the community center. Here you can see this is the community center. So here you will learn how to contribute to the project. You can know about the Mageia project news. So this is the Mageia planet. You can see here for there are some links for the developers and packages. There are some toolboxes containing wiki, Bugzilla, forums, calendar, Mageia applications database. Then this is the social chat using IRC, mailing list, forums, blog, and you can join the different teams. So ATLR, documentation, packing, testing and QA, translation systems and research administration, bug squad, Mageia, more about Mageia, code of conduct, values, or governance mode, teams, council, board, donations and reports. So everything is quite detailed. Further, if you click on the contribute, you can directly go over to this link and start join some of the development team and you can start contributing to the project. For example, you can do the bug texting, you can do translating, writing, copywriting, documenting, help users and advocate the project. All this is given here. So further, I think yes, donations is there. So this is the donations page. So you can come over here and start donating to the project. So there is the link to the PayPal. So you can pay using MasterCard, Visa, then there are some other payment methods. So you can check this out. And finally, you can join this Mageia project. You can create your username and password and then you can start contributing to the Mageia project and interact with other users in the Mageia community. So now I will stop the video here. See you in the next video where we will start checking out the Mageia control center. Bye bye.